So by now, everyone will recognize this particular woman whose screen. So dear, didn't name the power Ghana Shalia abuse. Obekai, we recall just last year, during this whole the new force system, no, our mounted billboards near there. She was the person. Now she was the spokesperson for the new force. Ultimately, none of us knew the person who was behind this new force, and apparently, this was the woman who was leading the whole frontier. This woman ultimately, she was arrested because no more parties a or the workroom has said to live in this country as a resident, and as a foreign person in this country, and also she lied purportedly on her immigration status. And tonight I say the back and forth near the ultimately she was granted bail, release, and when she was ordered to come back to court to the proceedings near the we saw that quickly she was rearrested again and then raised to Kotoka airport, sent back on the next flight, and then deported out of the country. This happened within just a twinkle of an eye. And people were questioning, so what is really happening? So within a minute, Shalia Abuse, who happened to be the spokesperson of the new force, she was deported from this country. Now, as to why this thing happened, we don't know. Was it because of politics? Was it because they feared that this person being a white lady and she's going to infiltrate something within Ghana's political system? We don't know. But according to immigration officers, some parts she is a threat to Ghana. I don't know how come she became a threat. One part says she is a threat to Ghana, so she was deported. Now, in some as you can see, a very release this was before she was even deported. People came to the court to support her, and as you can see, people were holding placards, the new force, free Shalia abuse and all of that. Ultimately, all of this thing ended in vain because she was subsequently deported. Then something really did happen. A brave deported Shalia abuse. Eka say there are a lot of things that she went through, from the way she was fed, dragged to the police station, the abuses and all of that. And ultimately, she said that she is going to pursue this in court. And when she pursued this in court, she's going to seek justice. And then because Shalia abuse, she did just that because we are learning or the Senate could be ECOWAS court or could be ECOWAS court. Listening on both sides, she has won the case, and she has also won a total sum of $1 million in damages. Say man near compensating. Now let's go and hear this from her, because she herself announced this on her social media platform, especially on TikTok. And from the look of things, she will be joining us here in Ghana very soon.
I am literally shaking as I'm bringing this news. I won my court case against the state of Ghana. The court ruled that my deportation and my rearrest was unlawful and was in violation with human right of liberty. I thank God this is an amazing day for human rights, for humanity, and for justice. I thank God for vindicating me. This is a big win for all of us. There is hope. There is hope for humanity, and I'm so happy the law did its work. Let's celebrate, guys.
So this was Shalia Abuse announcing what really did happen. So she had won her court case, and the details of it, that she has been awarded $1 million as compensation, all of that. But then as it stands now, we don't know if she will be coming back to Ghana or not, because even though she had won the case, that doesn't mean she can ultimately just jump back to Ghana. No, she still have to apply to the immigration system, be granted even a stay or tourist visa or even a residency visa to come back to Ghana. We don't know how that will work, and ultimately the immigration will say, okay, hey, we want to appeal. Appealing can take years or perhaps months. We don't know, but ultimately she has sent a statement saying, I've won the case. I was illegally I was woefully detained. The way I was treated was not fair, and it was against basic human rights, my human rights ethics and human rights violation code. It was just violated. So this is exactly what we are learning. But for those of you who don't know, there were a whole lot of things that went on prior to this particular woman's arrest. Talking about the fact, training up and down, and all of this. All of these things really was something which was really trending. Everyone was really talking about. So now, as it is now, we don't know if perhaps the National Democratic Congress should win. I'm sure she will be back in Ghana in no time, because the lawyer, Mr. Lawyer Xavier Susu, happens to be the MP for Medina. And as it stands now, I'm sure if NDC wins, they can get an upper hand and perhaps say, okay, because she's won the case at the ECOWAS court, she has the right to be in Ghana. And also the lawyer is also an NDC man, and if NDC is in power, this lady will be back in Ghana within a matter of seconds. So this is exactly what is really going on. But then you follow assembly chain. I want you to go and watch this particular video. I mean, the sequence of things that really did happen prior to her deportation.
If you want us to come to the national, we can follow you if you want us to come there, but you can't go with her. And that one, yeah. So we'll go with your car. Where's your car? Is here. We'll follow you. I'm coming. I'm coming. Yeah, she stays with her parents. It's fine. You can sit with her parents. It's fine. But don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Yeah. Charlie, move it. Please. Is that how you do your work? Is that how you do your work? You are saying that you are saying that stop. Why are you stop? Is that how you do your work? 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 Wait. Don't go to the car. Is that how you do your work? Oh my God. Look at this. Guns. Assault rifles. They claim that they have revoked the permit here. Illegal.
De faire appel.
Débattre des problématiques du secteur du transport et de la logistique.
Il est là depuis Mathusalem, celui de New York, des Nations.
Voluntary withdrawal, unjustified repeated absences, resignation, revocation,